Hi everybody, let's draw Retsuko from the Netflix series Aggretsuko. Starting with your sketch, use a pencil and draw a squashed bun shape. You want the bottom half to be flatter. Roughly divide vertically into thirds and again horizontally. Using rounded triangle shapes, mark out the ears. The inside of the ear should be roughly at the 1/3 line at the top of the head and the outside of the ear about halfway down the face. Mark out the body and skirt with another rectangular shape. Place the arms and legs like so, and don't forget a little trapezoid for her handbag. Take note, to get the perfect kawaii Retsuko look, the total height of the body should be about the same height as the head or slightly shorter. Time to do the proper drawing. Following your pencil sketch, trace over using a pen. Once you get to the base of the ears, draw in 2 little triangle teeth for the shape of her ear fluff. Draw a tall oval for her eyes and align them to the 1/3 guidelines you sketched in earlier. The nose should align to the same guideline as the eyes. Let's work on her arms. Don't forget to leave a little gap for her handbag strap to overlap her arm. Draw a series of L's to form the pleats of her skirt, and lastly, her feet. Once you're happy with the final drawing, carefully erase the original pencil sketch so you're left with the clean outlines. Retsuko only uses 5 colors, well 6 if you count white. Using the light brown, fill in the rounded triangles for her ear. Do the U-shaped markings on her face. The white mouth part on her face should form an egg shape. Retsuko has 2 curved white markings under her eyes and 2 white dots where her eyebrows should be. Using the same light brown, stripe on the checkered pattern on her skirt. Well done! I hope you had fun drawing nice Retsuko with me. Check in the next video for how to draw Angry Retsuko. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below on who your favorite Aggretsuko character is. Bye!